Yes, my wonderful people. And me, countryman. Want to talk about a brother here, Shorto. Cause I remember doing a video on him in 2021. That when the channel just start. And I get a story upon him because I've been tracking him for the longest time. And me remember a man tell me say him I run Rasta City gang. And for some reason it's like I couldn't believe it. Or I didn't want to believe it because this guy right here, he's very low key. Remember now, he is the only person got caught in the Sandman thing. He's still in jail, and if you look at the picture in front of you, that's him in the middle when he just went to jail. The one on the left is after he's been in jail, and the one on the right is when him just go jail. Now, he got caught, and the only reason why he got caught, the man them drop him off at the hospital, or he got dropped off at the hospital, and he had a shot. And the police them, they put 2 and 2 together. Now, like I said, my brethren who dunk on the ground in a Trinidad, him give me the lowdown and him a say other youth here. And in some way I was like, no, him nah run nothing. But what I realize about Shorto, like I said, anything when in him way, him a gonna move it out of his way. Like for example, these 2 prison guards, look at them on the right. Him get rid of them. Cause they work in building 13 where him there in the prison. And the man them a shake them down, the guard them, and come in and beat them up in a mass. Him even write him letter. But it so happens that them 2 prison guard there, them get fling away. I'm laughing, but it's not funny. Now, I was like, yo, is this guy really making some money? But he was actually making money, and he's actually making money. And it took me from 2021 to 2023, 2 years, to figure it out. And this is how we making money. Him work with a youth here. Remember now, Pes, them call him Pes, him name Hernandez. Me can't pronounce him first name, I just call him KJ. Him was the merchant of death for Trinidad. He was bringing down 28 gun and 30 rifle every 4 months via the link from him woman. Shorto, him have the Mexican link, the cartel link. And Shorto was buying, getting the machine them and bring them to the cartel, and for each rifle, a 80 pound Shorto get. Now it makes sense. Now, with them kind of power there, and them kind of style there, it easy for them get rid of the guard them. So, remember me tell you, Sherlock Holmes say, when it look impossible, that's when it become possible. Me remember I had a friend I was hanging around and I had 4 break-ins. Everywhere I moved to, I had a break-in. And come to find out, it's my friend, my so-called best friend, was breaking into my house. So, I say that to say this. When it looks impossible like what Sherlock Holmes said, that's when it becomes possible. Now, Shorto, him there jail, and you can't do an estimate, 20 rifle or 30 rifle times 80 pound. Do the maths. Do the maths. You look on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Maybe nearly 1,000, close to 1,000 on that thing or more. But now I do the mathematics right now. But yeah, and at that kind of money, he might make. Plus, like I said, he might have the link with the cartel them. So, him can do anything. He might get the powder, the this, to that. Now, me I show a picture, a little video of him house. Where my bill? This time house, where my bill? Look at his house. This is the house Shorto is building from prison. Remember now, him there prison about 5 years, 6 years. And this is the house he's building. And you see all the jewelry and all the things. So everything kind of makes sense now. Because before, when I was doing the story saying he's the man running Rasta City, it's not that I didn't believe it. But it's like, yo, all this little scrawny maga boy can't have that much power. Well, he does. He does. And like me say, him are the only man get caught up in the Sandman thing. And I'm sad to say, but he's gonna beat the charges. This man is gonna beat the charges. And him a run things from jail. And him are the man that's running the Rasta City gang right now. So him are the man behind certain things. Believe that. Now, you know, the Rasta City, Rebel 6, so each gang have linked to certain music entity within the country. I am not too sure he's backing the music thing like how Prezi is. Shorto is more about his money. And I'm gonna say this about him. If him involved in a Sandman thing, Sandman was a notorious person, so more likely Sandman fucked that youth here over. I am not justifying crime and violence. Me just speak reality. Cause if a pussy fuck me over, I would fuck him up too. And that's the reality. If you fuck me over a certain way, and like with Sandman, me here says Sandman and this guy used to roll, and Sandman gave him something and him kinda F it up. That's why he brought the man them to Sandman. But I think it's beyond that. Because this guy, Shorto had him link. And the man have him plan. You see what I'm saying? And maybe Sandman ain't playing fear. You understand? My mother always say, Another thief never like to see a thief carry long bag. And she also used to say, that man wear two face under one hat. So, you know, as far as me see, this youth is about money. And it seems like, me not say him no mix up whatever, see Sandman there, whatever. But seems like this man was about money. And it seems something Sandman did to these guys, why them retail like that. That's just my opinion, and like me say, I'm not justifying it and thing like that. But this youth right now, he's the man running Rasta City gang. And that's my take on it. Listen, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And remember, more videos coming. But before I go, I want y'all check out this. I am looking for some artists from Trinidad and the other islands them. So there is an open call for some artists to step up. Cause Countryman want to produce some artists and produce some different music for Trinidad. You understand?